Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me back here again at Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Omar from the show Craig of the Creek. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a like and subscribe if you're new here. And don't forget to leave a comment and let me know something you would like to learn how to draw next or something that you would like to see me draw. Alright, so to start drawing Omar, I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to do a little line like this, and I'm actually going to go in with a bit of the nose before I finish that eye. And a little line right here for a nostril. And now to continue on with that eye, we're going to do a line right here and have an oval here and color that in all black. Now we can do actually, I'm going to thicken up this line a little bit. Okay, so now we can do an eyebrow. I'm going to color that in black. All right, so let's work on the other eye. So same as we did before, we can do a line like this and a line underneath, and then a oval inside, and that oval is going to be colored in black. Now I'm going to thicken up this line. I'm going to try to make it kind of match up a little bit better with the other side. And this one's kind of thick already, so I'm going to thicken up this one. And now we need an eyebrow up here. And color that in black. Next, let's do the mouth. So we're going to do a curve like that with a little smile inside, and underneath a little curl too. Now let's work on a bit of the shape of the face. So here towards the ending of this eye, we're going to come on up, and from there we're also going to come on down and have a little bit of a cheek, and we're going underneath the mouth and curving on, and we're going to meet up with a big curve like this. This is going to be an ear. And we can do a little line like this inside the ear. And now we can work on some hair. So we can do some curves like this. Okay, so next let's continue on a little bit further with that hair. So let's make this kind of come around like that. And this line here is going to do the same. And over here, we're curving on up. And same over here. And over here. Now he's going to have one piece kind of hanging out this way. So let's do that. A little line like that. And then have a little bit hanging down and come on up. And now we need a hair tie, so we'll just do a line right here, and the rest of the hair in that hair tie, do a shape like that, and we'll do another one, and another one, and we can fit another one in there too. Okay, there we go. Now let's do the lines right here for the strings of his hoodie. So we can do two little strings there for the hoodie coming out of those lines. And right here we can work on the neck of the hoodie and do a little V shape right here in between these hoodie strings, and come on up. And we're going to curve up here by the ear. Next, let's do a line right here and coming down this way a bit. And then we can bring it across. That's going to be the bottom of the sweater. And let's do an arm for the sweater. And come on up. We can put a hand here. So let's see, thumb, one finger, 2, 3, and 4, and do a little line right here and right here to show the inside of the sweater sleeve, and bring this bottom line for the sweater here to the hand. And over on this side we need an arm as well, so we'll do a little curve here for the bottom of the sweater sleeve and do another hand, so a thumb, and then we can do 1, 2, 3 fingers, and the other one is obviously being hidden by this part of the sweater. So next, let's work on some pants. We'll bring a line out right here, bring it down a bit, and come on over, and come on up, and like that. And we're going to do one more like that. So exactly what we just did. And now we can work on some shoes. So come on down, and come on over, and come on down. And there we have the shape of the shoe. And we'll curve right here and come across. Now we can put a few lines here for like laces. And then we're going to do the exact same thing over here. So we're almost done our sketch, but we need to do some lines here for the sweater. So we're going to bring down a line right here, and another one, and one here in the middle, like that, and another one right there. And we need some on the sleeve too. So one thick line like that, another one, and another one, and same on this side. So thick line, another thick line, and another. Okay, so we're done our drawing, and now I'm going to get started with the coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our picture. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have the very best day ever, and I am looking forward to seeing you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. All right, everyone, goodbye.